Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Huh? Jin, something wrong? Looks like there's another beehive that needs to be moved.
Maker, let's go! You're on!
Blend into the pavement. But these white the wall tires.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Doggone it, this is about my hug.
Edward chuffed up. An idea flew into Thomas's funnel.
Tail down here. I created a drink in your honor. Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper pump.
It's going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
We had some good times together. I'm I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
Am I ever gonna stop?
Rogie!
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. There, right there. In the hood, right there.
Y'all gotta get out the pit. What are you guys doing here?
We're here because of you, Mayor. Is everything okay?
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
But you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens, you're all aware of our town's proud history.
Licht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten!
What are you doing? Gotta keep moving.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. After all, gas can is my middle name.
It is?
Well, just because I never trusted Axelrod, you're dead wrong, man.
It's only been an hour.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste. Sí.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll say.
I never liked New Cross Mill.
Tom Bay was doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound.
Anyway, just wanted to say a quick hello. Take as much time as you need. Door's always up.
Flame job. Maybe gold flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Act civilized. We got company. Hey.
Meta?
Yeah, Finn?
We're not here to go shopping.
Shop.
Taking my nap?
Bring it on, old man.
Luigi?
Go!
Oh, this sounds like something that needs to be settled on the race course. What do you say, Lightning McQueen?
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow! What happened? Where are all the other cars?
What is going on?
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
What's he saying? What's wrong?